In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to manage your Facebook page as an admin, editor, or moderator. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each role means, and how to safely give someone access to your page without sharing your login details. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account that owns or manages the page. On the main screen, go to your pages. You can usually find this in the left-hand menu on desktop, or by tapping the menu icon and then Pages on mobile. Select the page you want to work with so that you're on its main dashboard. Once you're on your page, look for the Settings area. On desktop, this is typically labeled Settings or Professional Dashboard. Click that, and you'll see a menu with different management options. You're looking for something like Page Access, Page Roles, or New Page Experience Settings, depending on how your page is set up. The wording might vary slightly, but the idea is the same. This is where you manage who can control your page. When you open the Access or Roles section, you'll see a list of people who currently have access, along with their roles. You should also see an option to add a new person. Click on that. Facebook will usually ask you to confirm your password or use two-factor authentication to make sure it's really you making this change. Now, you can search for the person you want to add. Type their name or the email address linked to their Facebook account. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct profile. This is important because you're about to give this person some level of control over your page. Next, choose the role you want them to have. Admins have full control. They can edit the page, post, manage messages, run ads, and even remove other admins, including you. Editors can create and manage posts, respond to messages and comments, and see insights, but they can't change key settings or remove admins. Moderators mainly handle comments, messages, and community management. Think carefully about what this person actually needs to do and assign the lowest role that still lets them do their job. Once you've chosen the role, click to send the invitation. The person will receive a notification or email asking them to accept. Until they accept, their role will show as pending. After they confirm, they'll appear in your list with their new role, and they'll be able to start managing the page within those permissions.